Hello everyone. I ordered my law parcel on 24th of February and today is 9th of March and I have received my parcel. So I will be unboxing it right in front of you all. So keep watching. Oh, so many books only of corporate and other laws. These are CA intermediate books, group 1. First one is this CA intermediate corporate and other laws by CA Ankita Patni. It is volume 1A. Then we have volume 1B by Swapnil sir and Ankita ma'am. Then we have volume 3. Oh wait, there will be volume 2, volume 3 and the volume 4 is a chat book. There are 3 spiral books and 1 MCQ book. The other one is a chart book. So happy to receive the parcel. Thank you.